Hi everyone. Now we are going to see about edge computing. What is edge computing? Why we need edge computing? What is the problem of cloud computing? Before that, these are all the subtopics we are going to see about this session. Okay, why we need edge computing? What is the problem before? On cloud computing, we are all know whenever we can access our data, it stores on the cloud, which is wherever we can locate. It's not stored on our devices, it stores on the cloud. We can access the data wherever we locate. This is what the cloud computing. This concept all we know. But the problem comes when I access my data, lots and lots of people access their data same time. That data is stored on the same data center, which is across the world, which is across the country. Every time this data transfer happens, which makes data traffic, so that we have some time issues, which is 1 or 2 seconds maybe difference. It's also the problem when we want to get a real time results, which is when we need a quick results. These 1 and 2 time seconds are also the problem, so that the edge computing will come to solve this problem. What is edge computing? Edge computing is nothing but of the data processing, which is located near where the data is originated. If the data is origin here, the processing is also near this place. That is what the edge computing will happen. There is an exact definition of this. Just a data processing happens which is near to the network, which is edge of this network. That's what edge computing. What happens if we move to edge computing? What happens? It gives us the quick results. Quick results means whenever we access the video calls, we have some time issues, right? Time delays. Live relays have a delays of 1 and 2 seconds. On that type of problems, we move to the edge computing. How it will works, how it solves the problems, we're going to see that next. It solves the problem of being the mini data centers, which is located on nearby every network. It's placed on the every network's edge. On edge of every network area, we have to launch the small data centers, which is mini data centers, so that we have to access our data whenever we need. We have like a servers, and then we have to go with the server. We access the data from the server, which is located near to you, so that we don't have time issues like that. Okay, and then when we need the edge computing, is the best example is Google self-driving car is the best example. We need edge computing on that process, because while the car is going on the road, what if the dogs or something comes before the car, means the sensor will capture that things will come, that whatever the things will come, it has to take action immediately, so that the data should process immediately. We have the result, we want the result immediately, so that we have to move to the edge computing. If we have the data center nearby you, it can access the data, it can process the data, compute the data as soon as possible, and then get the result, and we can take actions what the time it's these actions makes a real time of ours. What are the companies that are adopt these technologies? Or we all know this: Amazon Web Service, clouds, and all that. And then Google's are also adopt these technologies when they need it. And then what is the difference between clouds? How it's not a interchangeable process of cloud computing to the edge computing. It's the edge computing is one of the extension of cloud computing. When we want to know the quick results, we have to move to the edge computing. If you don't consider about the time delays and time issues, we have to move the cloud computing, because the data centers are much more costly, so that when we need a small data centers, mini data center, we don't make firewalls as much as affordable, or we can't secure the mini data centers. So that on that basis, if you want to get immediate issues, immediate results, you have to move on edge computing. That's all. These are the basics of edge computing. Thank you.